So this is the CountEasy TS, count by weight, cash counting machine. It's designed to count loose coins, bills, and rolled coins. Anything that's in a cash tray can be counted very quickly and accurately with this device. We have it configured with a thermal printer. There are different types of thermal printer depending on the requirements of the individual customer. So simply key in the register number. It will start with loose coin, so in this case nickels. We take the till cup, place it on. It's counting the number of pieces, the dollar value, and maintaining a running total. It then automatically advances to dimes and to quarters, to $1 coins, $2 coins, then goes to loose bills. We can now go through and count the loose bills. We put them on in slices for a reason. We put them on so that you can check to make sure there's no mixed denominations. Again, like the coins, it automatically increments to the next denomination that you're counting. It doesn't make any difference either if the bills are crumpled or folded. The machine is going to maintain its accuracy. In fact, the machine is what we call a forward averaging scale. It's actually an intelligent device that's learning the weights of the coins and the bills as you're using it. So the accuracy is maintained over years of use. Go to our 50s. Now, if we wanted to go back and recheck something, that's very simple with this device. We would, let's say as an example, we wanted to go back and we wanted to recheck our quarters. We simply cancel the weight of the quarters and recheck it. And now we can print that audit trail simply by selecting print. And the audit trail is configurable in the setup of the machine. So in this particular case, we show the date, the time, the user, the register number, the loose bills, the loose coins, and the grand total. And we have two signature lines, one for the cashier, one for the cash manager.